In this short video, we will finish quiz 1, question 1 using R. You will see the counting logics and the extract code to compute the probability. Quiz 1, question 1 is a batch has 20 items, 3 defective and 17 good. Select 5 without replacement. We have to answer the probabilities for these questions. How many 5 items sample are possible? And how many samples contain exactly 2 defective and probabilities of selecting exactly 2 defective. We learn these equations when we learn the Combinatorics chapter 2. So you can find all the probabilities using these equations. You can calculate these probabilities using calculators, definitely, but I am going to show you using the R. So if you feel like if you want to do from calculator, we are fine. But in this course, we want to practice the R coding in order to do calculations and data analysis. Now I'm going to show you how to run the R code using the R Studio. First, you have to double click the link here. So once it appears, so we see that this is the place to run the R code source file, and also here is a console. We can run the R code here one by one, and also here is the place to show the variables, functions, and all of the program related to your R program is set. And this is the place to visualize the plots and kind of things. So, but you will see that I use a little bit time ago this program is, so I want to clean it. If you want to clean all the programs, so you can clean here and console. In order to clean the console, Control L, then all tabs are clean. So first I will show you using the directly you can cut and paste your programming codes to here. So I already share with you the 3 files, quiz 1, quick guide, and this is second one RMD file, and the take home quiz PDF. From this, you can directly cut and paste the code. First, let's do that. You will see that all the codes for your quiz, take home quiz. So for first question number 1, these are the codes in order to find the probabilities for the question number 1. So I will save here one by one. First column, first row, copy and paste on the console and run it. You can type the enter and again. So this line, copy and paste here, then enter and again. Third line, copy and paste here. Just type enter from your keyboard. And fourth line, copy and type here, just enter. And also the last line, copy and paste here. Then you will see that it's all the probabilities pop up. These are the probabilities in order to solve your question 1. We did this directly, cut and paste the codes. You can do same way, or you can use the R script. So I have shared with you the RMD file. Just click the second file, or I have it from other folder. I will double click here. Then the RMD file, that's means the R script, will appear here. So you will see that this is in order to, if you want to make the PDF or in output, you can generate from here, but it's up to you. But Only I will show you from RMD file how you can run the codes. In here, let's go to the question number 1. Here, this is our car coding for question number 1. And first go to the end of the line and control enter. Then you will say this ran, and one by one here control enter, and here control enter. Then go to the next line, control enter, control enter. Then finally we see that same probabilities came. This is how you can run from the RMD file. If you want to directly use the R script, I will show you that. First I will cross out this, and let's go to the again the quick R guide. Then I will copy this all codes, copy, and if you want open our file, new file, our script, then paste here. Again I will copy this all, copy, paste here. Then you will see that all the program codes came. You can run just to all the codes together. I suggest to it's better to run one by one, and you will see then how is the program is running. So first go to the first line, end of the first line, and control enter. You will see that it's automatically running total here, and here also control enter, and last line control enter, and here then it's all the probabilities pop up. So this is the another way you can run your codes on console. So if you see that it's these codes, this is the variables we called. The variable you can write not I wrote using the directly with the wording, but you can use any variable to define total if you want TOT. But only thing is remember R is case sensitive. If you use the instead of the lowercase t, uppercase t, then R detect as two variables, not only one. So just now it's so enough if you can learn how to run the code and using the directly from RMD file and also from the script R script. Next I will show you how to find the probability for the question number using simulation. This is the way we do to find the simulation experimentally. So generally if you want to run the trial 100,000 experimentally, it's really hard. We use the simulation from R in order to say the some probabilities experimentally. That means it's trial wise, and theoretical probability is it's uh, to say the equivalency. You will see that is when you run the simulation 100,000 times, you get the close to the your theoretical probabilities 0.1316. So in order to do that, I will cut and paste this all the codes on the R console. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulations codes for the question number one in order to solve to find the probabilities. So this is we are running 100,000 simulation. That means same experiment. That means to find the probabilities for question number one. If you want to use the experimental probability, you have to run the same code 100,000 times. So in order to do from R, we can use the coding like this. You don't want to know how to write the codes, but just to look at, you can cut and paste code here, and you can, if you want, you can copy and total code set here. Then if you can run directly from this button. But if you get error, oh, this is the, it's not found. So that's me. Okay, let's do one by one. Control enter, then second line and third line, then run the function, and this. Then you will see that we got the same probability. It's very close to the theoretical probabilities. This is we call the simulation. I wish if you can draw this simulation as a graph, you can find the coding from the internet and draw the graph here. Then you will see that it's the simulation, how the experimental probability is, it's going to close to the theoretical probability. In your quiz 1 submissions, include R code and the numerical output. If you are using R Markdown, need to PDF. Remember, quiz 1 is due tomorrow by 11:59 p.m. And also, I link in the descriptions take home quiz 1 PDF and the R quick guide. Then you can practice as much until you are getting proficiency to write in the R code. Thank you.